Today I will show you some crypto mining websites where I earn an amazing 5 to 12% interest per day on my crypto money, so if you think this is something for you, and you want to know how to do it right, please watch this video to the end. Now before I continue, I want to warn you that I am not a financial advisor or a professional investor, I'm just a regular guy who is trying to make some money on the side, and I like sharing them with you. These smart farming contracts exist on the Binance Smart Chain and offer high rewards, so they also come with some risk. Until now, I haven't heard about any of these sites being hacked, or rug pulled, but in crypto, you never know what the future will bring. I personally like to try out new things, and if these platforms go to zero and I lose all my money, I won't be bothered much. I never invest money that I can't afford to lose. So, remember to always do your own research before you invest in something, and don't copy other people's actions. These mining farms are popping up everywhere and people who get in from the beginning are really killing it. Some of you may think these sites are Ponzi schemes, but I don't think this is the case. Let me explain why. These sites are basically smart contracts that run on the blockchain and they can't be changed, not even by the person who wrote the contract code, so there's no way for anyone to take out all the money and run with it. There's a complicated algorithm active under the surface that manages all the transactions to keep a healthy balance, and it rewards everyone who participates in the contract with the same payout, depending on the amount of money that is in the pool. I'm not going to explain all the technical details here, but you can always look up the contract on the BSC scan site, where you can see how much money comes in and goes out, how many payments are made, and what the code looks like, or you can join their Telegram and ask the developers any questions. Now let's talk about the first platform that pays out 10% per day on the BUSD stablecoin token. This is a crypto mining platform where you put in BUSD tokens to hire so-called miners, or farmers, and as soon as you buy them, they start digging for tokens, day and night, 24/7, all on autopilot. You just need to check in every 12 or 24 hours, to collect your tokens or to compound the interest and buy more miners. To get these mining sites to work, you need to have the MetaMask wallet installed on your Chrome browser and connect to the Binance Smart Chain first. This activates the smart mining contract and is required to approve and spend your money on the platform. If you are new to this, and don't know how or where to get started, I highly recommend you to watch some tutorials and videos on the Cryptocoiners YouTube channel. They have a bunch of cool videos on how to use these high payout crypto platforms, and teach you the basic things like setting up and connecting your MetaMask wallet to the Binance Smart Chain, how to send and withdraw crypto to and from the blockchain and much more. Check out the YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe while there to get the latest updates. I will put the link in the description box below. Once you have connected to the contract, and approved your spending, you can make a deposit and hire farmers. Of course, these farmers are not real people. They are snippets of computer code on the blockchain that put your money to work. As you can see here, I currently have 3,324 active farmers. I can buy more farmers by entering an amount in this field, or I can compound and hire more farmers with the interest that I earned. I will do this right now, so you can see how the process works. I don't want to collect my BUSD tokens, because I already cashed out a few hours ago, so I will hire more farmers. When I click on the Hire More Farmers button, my MetaMask wallet appears and asks to confirm the transaction. You always need to pay a small gas fee for transactions on the Binance blockchain, but they are really small, compared to the Ether network fees. I can see the whole process taking place on the BSC scan site, and when the transaction is confirmed and I return to the farming site, I have more miners working for me. The more miners you buy, the more and faster the payouts will come. Now, please understand that the money that you put in these smart contracts can never be withdrawn. Let this sink in, before you invest in a mining farm. You can only take out the interest that you make from your original investment, that's how the contract works. In general, you will earn your investment back in around 10 days, depending on how many times you cash out. My personal strategy is to compound once in the morning and withdraw in the evening. There's an excellent tutorial on how to optimize your mining strategy on the Cryptocoiners YouTube channel. Here's the video you need to watch. Don't miss it. It has some important info and can save you a lot of money. I will also leave the link below. These mining or minting farms all work similarly. You put in your money to hire miners, and follow the strategy of compounding and pocketing out once a day. I find all these hot mining platforms because I am a subscriber of the Cryptocoiners Telegram channel, where they post the best paying farms. If you're interested in getting these signals first, so you can get in early and buy miners at the lowest rates, I recommend joining the channel. I will drop the Telegram link in the description below. Another 10% paying site that I'm involved in is the BUSD game site. The developer of this smart contract runs several other sites like BNB, Cake, Doge, Tron and more will soon be announced. He is a trusted guy, and is very active on his Telegram, answering questions for people and providing support. The contract looks very healthy, there's over $200,000 invested so far, and transactions keep going up, which is a good sign. Same strategy here. Approve the spending, deposit and hire miners, or Bs in this case, and compound and withdraw 10% on your BUSD stablecoin every single day. I have 44,000 Bs working and I earned $50 since the last time I came here. I'm also compounding my profits with this one, so I get more Bs working for me and earning more and bigger rewards faster. A link to the B platform is below. Next one is BUSD Miner. This is a new smart mining contract paying out 12% daily. I don't know how long this one will be sustainable, as 10% is already risky and 12% is very risky. But until now, I got my initial deposit out and I get a nice daily return. We'll see how far this goes. If it drops to zero in a few weeks or months, which I doubt, I won't be bothered as I only put money in this contract that I earn for free. I will drop the links to all these farming sites below this video, so you can check them out. I also invested in this Ecake Farm. Here you put in Cake tokens, and you get paid 10% daily, depending on your mining strategy. Ecake has a great future. It is the token behind the popular PancakeSwap DeFi site, running on the Binance Smart Chain, where you can swap and stake cryptocurrencies. The big difference with a mining farm is that you can withdraw all your invested money from PancakeSwap at once. That's not possible on a mining farm, where you hire miners, and your investment goes into the common pool that is being used to pay other miners. I use PancakeSwap to stake and earn Cake, and then I put the Cake from here into the Ecake Farm contract where it earns 10% more Cake every day. I just compound and withdraw once per day, and let it run. It's as simple as that. If you're smart, then you know that you need to make your money work for you, instead of working for your money. It's nothing complicated and you can get started with a small amount. Now, the last mining contract is something different. This BUSD Pharma platform pays out the same amount every single day, unlike mining contracts who only pay out interest when you compound every day or which depend on the amount of money that flows into the contract. This contract is programmed to pay out a fixed percentage, depending on the plan that you choose. You can get 5% daily on your investment forever, or you can pick another plan with higher rewards and risk. I put in $500 in the 7% plan for 40 days yesterday, and I already made $60 since I went in. Not a bad thing. If this continues, I will have made 35 times 40 is $1,400, minus my $500 investment is a nice $900 in profit when the contract ends, and I can withdraw this money anytime I want. There's a video tutorial on how to use the BUSD Pharma platform on the Cryptocoiners channel, if you need more info. Check it out, I'll drop the link below. Thanks again for watching this far, and don't forget to sign up for the Cryptocoiners Telegram and join the Cryptocoiners YouTube channel to get these crypto mining tips first. Below are the links for you to check out. Let me know what you think about these high reward sites in the comments section. I'm always interested to hear what you have to say. Good luck, but be careful, and please do not invest any money that you can't afford to lose in these things. Crypto always comes with a certain risk, and in the end, you are the only one who is responsible for your actions, not me. Feel free to leave a like, subscribe and hit the beautiful bell, to get the latest video updates first, and feel free to share this video with others who may also like my info. Have a wonderful day.